Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Mizanur Rahman. I am 37 years old. I am from Nauga. I am studying PhD studying. We are a family, 5 members. I am one of 3 siblings. My father's name is Muhammad Anwar Hussain. My mother's name is Muhammad Akhtarun Banu. My elder brother's name is Muhammad Atwar Hussain. My younger sister name is one Poppy. My younger sister name is two Masuma. My elder brother's wife name is Nazma. My niece name is Ontora. I have 3 children. My elder daughter's name is Mom. My younger daughter's name is Manbi. My only son is named Maimun. My elder daughter's 15 years old. My younger daughter's 9 years old. My only son's 7 years old. My profession is doctor. I am a public health specialist. My father is a businessman. My father's living Nauga. My mother is a housewife. My mother living Nauga. My wife names Moharani. My wife 32 years old. My wife is a doctor. My father-in-law is a farmer. My mother-in-law is a housewife. My favorite hobby reading.